Okay, 1955 Studebaker truck. This car has not been started for a number of weeks, so this is cold. It's 20 below zero outside. It's 20 degrees here in this garage. Again, have not started this for quite a while, so you are going to see what a cold start is for this old truck. You don't get a better starting vehicle than this, period. Perfect body. Absolutely perfect body. No rust. Engine starts right up. Drivetrain's perfect. Body perfect. Little dusty. This is a no excuses vehicle. Starts and drives perfectly. Time for you to get a good truck.